Alright, y'all, we on the move again. Same city.
In 400 meters, turn right.
We had to find a place with the oven because Thanksgiving is coming up and y'all know we gotta burn. So packed all our stuff up and heading to a new location. So we made the right choice. Really happy to be here. We are remote AF though, but the family that are here, they're really happy to have us here, showed us around. You can feel the love. When you meet somebody and it's really authentic and they care, I love this. This is part of the reason we travel. I love these guys here. We don't share a language, but we share a culture of love, so it's all good. You agree? You like them?
I do.
Yeah, man, so it's gonna be a good stay. But we're gonna chow down up in this piece. So we have earthquakes here. We're in the ring of fire. And okay, just stop. Earthquakes happen all the time here, but that was the strongest one that we actually, oh, it's still shaking. I think we're experiencing an earthquake right now. It was like lasting about 30 seconds, man. This is kind of, it would be scary if we were in a building, a tall building. We're on the ground floor of a two-story house, so interesting, man. It's Thanksgiving Day. And either a very large silent truck just passed by or we just experienced an earthquake. Wow. Hope everybody's okay. Hey, what's happening, you guys?
You guys just wanted to say happy
Thanksgiving. Y'all family, so y'all know we had to check in with you.
Of course, guys.
Let's do a checklist. What you thankful for?
I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful that you're subscribed, that you tune in, that you watch, you like, you engage. Thankful for y'all.
We're thankful for having that extended family. I am thankful that we have a roof over our head in a foreign land. True.
I'm thankful that we
with an oven
get to kind of build this life of content creation and travel, something that we really enjoy.
I'm thankful that we have an oven and that we can cook us a bountiful, delicious Thanksgiving dinner.
I'm thankful that we were able to find the majority of the ingredients that we needed for this Thanksgiving.
Real talk. So life abroad, it's a beautiful thing. But when you try to recreate something from the States or from home, it has its own challenges. A lot of our ingredients, man, you just kind of gotta make stuff up as you go.
You just gotta figure it out. So we wanted to have sweet potato pie. Okay, and for the most part, we've been able to find
sweet potatoes everywhere. But I guess they're in limited supply.
I don't know. Gringos went ham on the sweet potatoes at the grocery store because they weren't there. They were all out.
Let me talk to my people out here. Y'all took all of our sweet potatoes. Our people, all the expats who live here, I know it was you who cleaned out the shelves. We went to 3 different stores just because we see sweet potatoes around here everywhere, and I gotta have a sweet potato pie on Thanksgiving. But I ain't got it this year. I got a purple pie for my Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah. You guys, so they did not have the sweet potatoes. We got camote instead, which online says it's also sweet potato, but it's purple.
Yeah, it ain't the same. It's a little bit more starchy. It's not as creamy. Complaint is what we have. But I'm really excited about our dinner, man. A lot of stuff is tasting good. You know what else I'm also thankful for? I'm thankful for you guys having a safe existence. We're gonna manifest that. I know Black Friday is tomorrow. I know some of y'all going out there. Y'all gonna be battling it out for y'all flat screen TVs and whatever new gaming system is out. Long time ago, I remember me and my brother stayed up. We camped out outside of Best Buy to get the Wii system when it first came out, so we could buy 2 of them. But we camped out all night long outside of Best Buy with a whole bunch of other people.
I wonder if that's still like a culture. You know, is that Black Friday culture still happening? I think now everyone's just ordering things online, you know?
Probably. I'm old school, you know what I'm saying? Best Buy, who shops at Best Buy now, right? But yeah, we just wanted to get out here, share our little Thanksgiving festivities with you guys. No major video, man. It's just kind of a Thanksgiving Day vlog. We're gonna watch TV, get some dinner cooked. We're not having the traditional dinner. I don't want no big gigantic turkey, so we're doing some turkey wings. What else we doing, sweetheart?
We got mac and cheese, dressing, kale greens, which turned out really, really good.
Bought a local chicken. We want to get a smoked turkey leg because that's how I like to cook my greens or my kale. And they had a smoked turkey leg, but it was like light skin smoked. You know what I'm saying? Like it was not delicious at all. So we went out and bought a rotisserie chicken.
Look, it's kind of obvious. Expats typically shop in the supermarkets, those huge chain grocery stores, but the locals, they shop in the market districts and find themselves the best mercados around.
Hola. This barrio is set up a bit different than the other barrios that we see throughout the city. This barrio appears to be self-contained. One could find all the things they need here. Hardware store, bakery, influx of mom and pop restaurantes, just pretty much anything that you would need to not leave your own hood.
¿Cuántos? ¿Abrudita?
Uno que son 2.18.
Oh, 18, okay.
Me van 2.
Awesome.
Oh, for toast.
Lots of warm smiles and gestures to the foreigners in their neighborhood.
I loved bouncing around in and out of these little shops here, and especially stumbling upon this flower shop.
Muy bonita. I like those. I do. ¿Qué es el nombre?
Astromedia.
Astromedia.
Okay, so like. Sí, ¿cuánto cuesta? $1.50.
Oh, wow. $1.50. Sí.
¿Quiere esto o quiere lo de $2.50?
What are you getting?
Kind of like a mixed bouquet. I'm gonna say about a small bouquet, but mixed with different sorts of flowers. Some roses are thrown in there and some little greenery. So she kind of put it together for me and was like,
She did it with such care, didn't she? She was thinking all kind of with that little butcher knife, working it, boy.
Yeah.
Muy bonita. No cambio, you're fine. It's fine. Gracias. No cambio. Ciao. So my wife is happy with flowers. I don't know what it is about these little things.
I used to never be a flower person at all. Like, all these things do is die.
I know. I sent you something. She at work and she was like, "Yeah, no big deal. Next time send me food." So I had to send chocolate cake and what else? Other
But
little
I
stuff.
think
Fruit
because
baskets.
they've been so outrageously, expensive, but
Hola.
you can get them for very cheap. That's the exit. That's the exit.
All right, now we kind of a local little, kind of like a Save-A-Lot kind of store called Tutti. See? Here you find all kinds of discounted stuff, get you some $3 wine, $2.99 wine, $4 wine. Grab one of those too, baby. Grab a red to put with the beef. But we are here. I don't even know why we're here. What are we in here for, babe? Eggs.
Anything else you want?
I want some red wine. Just to cook with though, so a little cheap one doesn't, cheapest one, $2.99 in the box will work.
And we have a little flavor of Ecuador. We have some pan de yuca that I'll probably try to throw in the oven.
Awesome. We got tons of carbs, you know what I'm saying? That's what Thanksgiving all about, some libations. Anyway, we just chilling today, you guys. I figured I'd give you guys my little shrimp scampi recipe. A long time ago in Mexico, we made a shrimp scampi and threw it in with a mac and cheese, and it just turned out so good with some crab meat. Oh.
This has a bit of an adaptation too.
Yeah. So we'll let you know how it turns out. I don't have parsley. I forgot to get the parsley. I ain't forget y'all. I always do basil instead of parsley. I don't know what's wrong with me.
We're thinking bruschetta.
Probably.
Sometimes.
Either way, man. Come on, hang with us for Thanksgiving dinner, you guys. Y'all invited to the function. Let's get our groove on.
If you guys are getting your holiday shopping in for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Small Business Saturday, what's the popular item that's trending right now? I know, years ago it was flat screen TVs, maybe even air fryers a few years ago, but what's going on now? Like, is it the PS5 or I don't know, the PS something? I don't even know what number of PlayStation system we're on right now, but what is that popular item that people are... Okay, yeah, as Rondell said, what's your brand of consumerism? What's everyone flocking to the stores or their online carts to get this year? Let us know in the comments.
Look, if the main ingredient in your Thanksgiving dinner is not butter, I probably don't want to eat at your house. Don't invite me to the party, baby. Hold on. Don't invite me to the party. I'm sorry. Good Thanksgiving meals start with butter, and we take it from there. And the same thing with shrimp scampi. Scampi starts with a nice healthy amount of butter in the pan. We're gonna season that butter with some garlic, just some crushed garlic cut up a little while ago. Fresh crushed garlic. Now you're gonna have to stir the garlic around, make sure your butter don't burn, and if the garlic doesn't burn, there we go. I do want my butter to get a little brown to it. That's extra flavor. I'm talking new flavor in your ear. All right, so main ingredients for your shrimp scampi is gonna be little red pepper, little salt, little pepper, of course parsley. I'm using basil today, but I have all that seasoning right here. My stuff is ready. My shrimp's gonna go in right now. I don't know, about 3/4 pound of shrimp. Oh, and white wine. White wine. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, for this next step, you guys, I remove the shrimp from the pan. Of course, you know, we got to do our taste test because you ain't cooking if you ain't tasting your food as you go. This is my pan. It's kind of dried out a little bit. And I'm gonna add a cup of wine, you know. Any old white wine will do, table wine, you know, it doesn't have to be special. Give it a little bit of this right here. And that's it. We're gonna bring it up, let it cook down a little bit. I'm gonna reintroduce the shrimp to it. And then I'm gonna throw some mac and cheese in here. Now the topper is to put it in the oven for a little bit, put some cheese on top, let it get crusty. We ain't got time like that to wait, so we just gonna mess it with the mac and cheese and eat, y'all. And that's the little dish we created, man. We made this in Mexico, just off whimsically one day, and it turned out really good. We really liked it a lot, so it's a basic treat in our house.
We have got the plates ready, guys. We got the seafood mac and cheese, kale greens. We have a roast that has been slow roasting for 5 hours today that has some root vegetables in it, some yuca and carrots. We got chicken wings, we got dressing, and we also got some whiskey sours. So I would say that we're pretty prepared for our Thanksgiving meal. We're gonna eat it while it's hot, and oh, also we got cranberry sauce. Surprised to find that, but we did. Excited to eat this while it is still hot. We hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner. We are about to get our grub on. Rondell says it's all slamming, it's all delicious, and we're getting in it. See you guys later.